Hey guys, morning. Hope we're all good. I'm quite interested in Stella here for a bit of a bounce, for a bit of a scalp, for perhaps 5 or 6% up towards the 99 EMA. If you look on the downtrend, each time, I mean, it tested the 55 there, but twice in a row, it's come up to tickle the 99 from a consistent downtrend. Um, the VWAP, which is the blue, is similar to what I used to help get the bounce on ICX and Doge yesterday, and they both went quite well. It's actually, the VWAP has actually got above the 21 EMA here. I mean, it did do it there and got rejected, so that is a bit of a sign of warning, but the stochastics were in the middle there, whereas they've come down right to the bottom in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're trying to cross. It might do something like this over the next few hours where it works itself out before getting that bounce, but it's trying to put in a little pivot bottom here. So I'm quite confident that we'll get a bit of a bounce. I'm aiming again, just a day trade, perhaps 5-6%. I'll take even up to the top of the cloud. I'll probably take like 70% there, and if it does trickle further, then great, it might be getting out of it. If not, worst case, I'll get my stop up, and I'm looking for a little bounce of 5 or 6% today. Hope that makes sense.